Hello everyone, how are you going? I hope that you are well. In today's video we will learn statements with be and possessive adjectives, and for a bonus we will discover ways of greetings. So, are you ready? Let's go! We start with statements with be. So, as you can see, we can use the verb to be to talk about the country we are from and to describe people or places, and also to talk about our situation or emotions. I'm from Korea. You are from Japan. He is from Brazil. She is a nice girl. It's an exciting city. We're in the same club. They are my friends. And here, the contraction of the verb to be. So, instead of saying I am, we can say am. And it is very helpful if we want to talk fluently and like a native speaker. But you shouldn't use it in writing, because contractions of the verb to be may show lack of respect for the one who will read, especially if it was a professional paper or like for a teacher. Now we move to possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective sits before a noun or a pronoun to show who or what owns it. And we have my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Now, let's do an exercise. So, you have to fill the blanks with possessive adjective or with the subject pronoun plus the verb to be. So, you can stop the video and try to answer, and then you can see the solution. If you want to train more, I did put a link in the description where you can download a PDF file that contains an exercise with solution, so you can check it in the description. And here we are with our last section. It's greetings. There are so many ways to greet people, and these are the most popular ones. A bow, a handshake, a hug, a pat on the back, a kiss on the cheek, a fist bump. So, here we finish our course. I hope that you learn some new vocabulary and grammar, and I wish you to like my video and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks, and wait me in the next lesson.